Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Wix. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to streamline your booking process and allow clients or customers to schedule appointments directly through your website. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Apps. This will expand a menu with several options. From this expanded menu, go ahead and click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the tools and integrations available to enhance your Wix site. Once you're in the App Market, you'll notice a variety of apps that are readily available for integration with your Wix account. Take a moment to scroll through and see what the marketplace offers. There are tons of useful tools here, but for now we're focusing on Calendly. Locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in Calendly, and hit Enter. This will bring up all the relevant results related to Calendly integrations. You'll see several results appear on your screen. What you're looking for is the one that has effortless Calendly booking, fully customization as its description. Once you've spotted it, click on it to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll be directed to Calendly's overview page. This page contains all the essential information you need before adding the app to your site. Scroll down and take the time to read through the app's description carefully. It's also a good idea to read through the customer reviews to see what other users are saying about their experience with the integration. Additionally, check out the pricing structure to make sure it aligns with your budget and needs. Once you're satisfied and ready to move forward, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Add to Site. At this point, you'll be presented with all the functions Calendly requires access to and seeks authorization for. This is an important step, so don't rush through it. Click on each of the items listed to see exactly what Calendly is accessing on your Wix site. This transparency ensures you're comfortable with the permissions being granted. Once you've reviewed everything and confirmed that you're ready, click on Agree and Add. Keep in mind that the installation might take a little while, so be patient as Wix processes the integration and sets everything up for you. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with your Wix site, making it easier for visitors to book appointments with you directly through your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.